I'm about to show you guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys, and this actually works. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on Webtoon. So as you can see, guys, this is my current amount of coins, and we just press this plus button right here and they go up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this, guys. It's super insane. And if you do not have a lot of Webtoon coins, I totally understand your situation. I got 600 coins now, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get right into the video, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you exactly to get a ton of coins on Webtoon. So as you can see right here, we can just go ahead and increase our coins like nothing. Look at that, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using this crazy Webtoon mod right there. So what you want to do, guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go over to our browser. So you want to go over to Google, and once you're there, guys, we're basically just going to go to the search bar and type in ZooMods. Alright, so let me just put that in right here. This is like a modded website with a ton of different like apps and stuff. So anyways, guys, once you're on this site, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and just type in Webtoon. So as you can see, guys, it says Webtoon mod. So just press on this. It's going to start to download. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Now I'm going to show you guys right here. If we go to the App Store, you guys can see that if I type in Webtoon, the game is not going to give you any free lifestyle points in terms of getting anything for free. There's no handouts. So as you can see, guys, when we click on Webtoon and we go down to in-app purchases, look at that, guys. It is super expensive. $49 for 500 coins? That can't be right. I have friggin' ridiculously high amounts compared to that. So as you can see, guys, this is super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys, and get the word out about this method. It actually works. This is super cool. So if you have any problems, be sure to drop it down below in the comments. I'm going to be sure to get back to you guys and help you fix your issues. This is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So keep watching the video. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.